a central economic node in the Western Balkans, a multi-billion-dollar technology outsourcing boom operating from within ancient, battle-hardened walls. Online forums often frame this as an unregulated, cheap backpacker base. That data expired in 2023. The reality today is a strict grid of shifting visa laws and sharply climbing rents. This matrix outlines your core trade-off: geographic arbitrage versus bureaucratic friction. On the left, the local economy survives on an average monthly wage of €989. On the right, foreign remote tech contractors and specialized local architects clear upward of $4,500. Thriving in this system requires knowing exactly which version of this economy you map to before you cross the border. The legacy of Soviet-era alignments is built directly into the dense, concrete apartment blocks of New Belgrade. Beneath that brutalist exterior, heavy foreign direct investment, agri-tech exports, and advanced software engineering are flooding the capital with outside capital. Most of the local population remains outside this tech-driven growth. Official 2026 data places the national average net monthly salary near $1,050. Inside those same city blocks, remote foreign contractors leverage ultra-fast fiber pipelines to generate 3 to 4 times that amount in net monthly income. This income gap drives hyper-localized inflation, dictating who can afford the prime capital city lifestyle and who is forced to the periphery. Serbia sits outside the Schengen zone, but it now enforces a strictly updated non-Schengen border framework. If you hold a passport from the US, the UK, Canada, or the EU, you follow the low-friction route. You retain visa-free entry for up to 90 days. Long-term stays require you to cross the border every 3 months to reset that clock. For Indian citizens and specific non-Western nations, historic visa-free access has been revoked. By 2026, these travelers must secure a pre-departure e-visa or sticker before boarding. Passport strength is the primary filter. It determines whether your arrival is a simple flight or a regulated bureaucratic operation. Foundational costs remain low. Public transit is affordable, and a traditional meal in a local kafana ranges from $5 to $11. This graph tracks the collision between local wages and prime real estate. While the average local wage stays flat, rent inside modernized zones like Novi Beograd has climbed toward $950 a month. Nomads on a tighter budget bypass this by moving to secondary cities like Niš or Kragujevac, where clean one-bedroom apartments stay within the $350 range. Living in prime Belgrade on a local wage is a struggle, but deploying a foreign tech salary into that market creates a high-yield arbitrage setup. Serbia ranks among the safest sovereign destinations across southern Europe. Violent crime targeting foreigners is practically non-existent. Solo creators and women can walk through the center of Belgrade or public parks at 3 in the morning with total peace of mind. Standard situational awareness is only needed for daytime pickpocketing on crowded buses or overcharging by unvetted street taxis. Use rideshare networks like Yandex Go or Cargo to avoid the latter. This public order supports a high-energy social culture, from slow-dining acoustic kafanas to the floating river clubs known as splavovi. The day-to-day street reality offers a rare combination of total security and intense social vibrancy. Life here follows a sharp 4-season continental climate. Winters are heavy and dark. Temperatures drop to -10 degrees Celsius, transforming mountain ranges like Koponik into active ski corridors. Travel and relocation are best optimized between May and September. City temperatures push past 32 degrees Celsius, and the outdoor terrace culture is at its peak. The capital holds the physical ashes and the entire personal archive of Nikola Tesla, preserved forever in Belgrade per his family's wishes. In the south, the geography produces anomalies like Devil's Town, over 200 naturally formed rock pyramids standing in a remote valley. Failing to plan for the seasonal shift means missing the country's full structural value. Success in the Balkans means aligning your personal data with the country's strict operational grid. If you are a Western remote worker, you slot into the top right. You get elite internet, total safety, and a premium lifestyle at a 40% discount, provided you master the 90-day reset. Tech professionals on Indian or non-Western passports must factor in the costs and friction of 2026 e-visa compliance before departure. If you are running on a local-level budget, move to secondary cities to survive the inflated rents of the capital. Navigating this market requires a strategy that aligns your passport and budget with modern regulatory frameworks. a rugged environment where ancient river citadels meet hyper-fast digital networks. Does your specific passport and income make this the logical base for your next deployment? Let us know in the comments. Next, we pivot from the cold Balkan mountains to the Indian Ocean, mapping the pristine offshore financial networks of the Seychelles. Treat global relocation as a data problem. Subscribe to stay grounded in reality.